Hi and welcome back to my channel, A to Z Convos. This video is going to be a very basic, easy English lesson about what we see. And in this scene, we're going to a local farmers market. So we're going to look at a farmers market and what you would normally see there. I'm going to speak very slowly so that you can understand, but if it's still too fast for you, go ahead and slow down the video. So let's begin. So this is a farmers market. How do I know? Well, because of all the fruits and vegetables, as you can see here, that are being sold. And there's a sign. This is a sign up here. This is a sign. It's a sign. And it says, support your local farmers. The sign is on a white banner, and it has a flower, that's a sunflower, and some fruits and vegetables. What else do I see? I see the sky. The sky is blue, and the sky has clouds, and the clouds are white. The clouds in the sky up are white. There are ribbons decorating the farmers market. These ribbons are known as a garland, where it's just a string of ribbons. There's some more up here. Okay. Now, in the market, they have some buildings along the street. This is one building. This is another building, and another building. And the buildings have windows that you can look out from. Let's see how many windows there are. This building has 1, 2, 3 windows and on the front, and 1 window on the side. And this building has 1, 2, 3, 4 windows, 4 windows on the front of the building. Okay. And this building, the yellow building, has 1, 2 windows on the front of the building. Sorry about the balloons. The balloons keep going. And one window on the side of the building. And this building has 2 windows on the front of the building. 2 windows, 2 windows. And there are some trees. That's a tree and that's a tree. How many trees are in the picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 trees. 6 trees. 6 trees are in the picture. And in the farmers market, the farmers sell their produce under canopies. This is a canopy. This is a canopy. This is a canopy. and this is a canopy. How many canopies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 canopies in the picture. There are 4 canopies in the picture. There are different people in the farmer's market. There are different people in the farmer's market. Let's first count how many people there are, and then we'll see what they're doing. 1 person, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I counted 15 people in the farmer's market. There are more people in the background over here, but I didn't count them. I only counted the ones closer to the front of the picture. So what are the people doing? Well, this man is walking away. He's walking away. So his back is what I see. His back is what I see. This person looks like a young boy, and he's wearing a shirt and shorts. His shorts are green. His shirt looks like it's light blue and red. And he's standing next to a woman. Maybe it's his mother, but it's a woman, and she is wearing a blue dress. Her dress is blue. I'm wearing a blouse, and my blouse is red. Red, red. Her dress is blue, blue. The next person I see is this woman. This woman is wearing a hat. She's wearing a hat on her head. She put on the hat onto her head. And her hat, that's her hat, is brown. Her hat is brown. And her hat has a brim. This is the brim. That's the big part in front of the hat. That's the brim. And so she's wearing her hat, and her dress is brown. She's wearing a brown dress, and she's carrying flowers. She's carrying flowers. These are flowers in her hand, and the flowers are different colors. The flowers are red and yellow, and this is another red flower, red flower, red flower, red flower, and a yellow one. And all together the flowers are called a bouquet. When you put flowers together, it's called a bouquet. A bouquet of flowers. Can you see another bouquet in this picture? Yes. This lady is also carrying a bouquet of flowers right here. This is another bouquet of flowers. And the flowers are red, like my blouse, red. Another red flower, purple, yellow, yellow, and the leaves are green, green. So she's carrying a bouquet of flowers. Flowers are something you can usually find in a farmer's market. They usually sell flowers. Next is this woman at the back, and she is looking down. She's looking down at the produce. Next to her is a young lady, and she's smiling. She's smiling with her mouth, and she's showing her teeth. Her teeth. She's smiling. And she is wearing a blue blouse, and it looks like she's wearing a white sweater over her blouse, a white sweater. Next is this lady who looks like she's selling produce, because she's at the back of the stand. So she's probably selling the produce. Maybe she's one of the farmers. And her blouse is a light blue or whitish, in between light blue and whitish. And next to her is another lady wearing a hat on her head. Her hat looks the same as this lady's hat and this lady's hat. Three of them are wearing hats. 1, 2, 3. And somebody else is wearing a hat. This man is wearing a hat, and his hat looks like the other one's, his hat. This man is short. He's short, and he has a beard. This hair on his face is the beard, and a mustache. This is his mustache. This is his beard, and it's white. The color is white. And he's wearing a white shirt with blue overalls. These are his overalls. And behind the counter is another lady, and she is smiling, and she's pointing at the fruit or the vegetables. It looks like celery or turnip that she's pointing at. And a few more people. This is a boy, a young boy. He's wearing a blue shirt, and he has a lot of hair. He has a lot of hair on his head. And next to him is a man. This man is smiling, and he looks like he's about to pick some fruit from the stand. His hand is stretching out to pick up some fruit. And behind the stand is another man who also has a beard and a mustache, a beard on his face and a mustache on his face. And he is also wearing a hat. He's wearing a hat. Next to him is a young boy, a young man, who maybe it's his son helping him sell, because he's behind the stand. He's behind the stand, and he's wearing a white blouse and blue overalls. Okay. And let's talk about some of the fruit that I see. I see fruits on this side, and I see some vegetables on this side and here. So I see what looks like orange, some type of orange fruit. some flowers, some brown food that looks like it could be potatoes, some red food which looks like it could be tomatoes. It's hard to tell. This could be tomatoes as well because they are red, and some green fruits or vegetables, some brown fruits or vegetables. Over here, this here in the corner, this is watermelon. Watermelon for sure. This looks like it's onions because it's purple, and onions are sometimes purple. These are red. I see a stalk, so it could be radishes. Oh, we can zoom in and see. And down here we have another green fruit. It looks like carrots, but they look green, and carrots are usually orange, not green. These look like they could be oranges or maybe yellow onions. These look like they could be tomatoes. And let's see what else is in the farmer's market fruit stand. Here are some more fruits and vegetables. These are green. These look like they could be broccoli because they're green and they look like broccoli. And these look like tomatoes. And up here, let's see what else I can identify. What can I see? I see this looks like it could be celery, but I'm not sure. And this is a sign. On the sign, they write the price, like how much money it costs to buy the fruits and the vegetables. And what else do I see? I see that the canopies are two colors, white and blue. The canopies have white stripes and blue stripes. And this is a typical scene at a farmer's market. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next video. Also, if you see things in the picture that I missed, go ahead and write in the comments and tell me what you saw in the picture, that I missed, that I didn't say. Write and tell me in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.